Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I am sending some gifts over to my beautiful girlfriend in the Philippines. So I will show you what we're sending. So the second part of this video will be her receiving them. So it could be in about, I'm not sure how long it will take to get there, maybe 1 to 2 weeks. So you'll see her receiving them and opening them and her reaction. So yeah, I will show you what we are sending. It's all sort of boxed up, okay, but there's some makeup, there's some toning solution, some books, some pens, her charger, which I mistakenly brought back with me. We have a mouse because under here is her laptop, and a charger, and there's a USB, a mouse pad, and also I'm going to get some chocolates from the shops. Maybe 1 to 2 weeks and then she'll get them.
As of now, it's 12:05 a.m. and in Australia time it's 3:05 a.m. So tomorrow it's a really big day for us because I'm going to get the package. It's been 3 months since the package to arrive. Tomorrow I'm going to pick it up. It's finally here and I cannot wait. So there he is. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. He's laughing at me because of my reaction. That's all for now, so see you tomorrow. Hi guys, welcome to Unboxing with Joyce, and well, he's in Australia, so for now I'm going to speak like English, Taglish. Kasi ang hirap talaga. For today's video, I am going to unbox the package that he sent to me. First thing that I'm going to show you is this one. Inside this box, they have skincare. All this skincare. Ayan. Yung skincare by Hiram. Ayan. And next is this one. Primer. Binuksan ko na para din ako mahirapan. So, kasi mahilig ako sa makeup ng blush on. Tapos ito siya. Yan. Pang contour na e.l.f. Yan. Ito. Sa loob na ito, tignan mo kung gano'n siya ka-cute. May bagay so cute. At tignan mo, binigay niya sa akin to. Kanya pa nakakatuwa. Kasi, ewan ko, siguro important sa kanya to. Kaya niya binigay sa akin. Which I really appreciate it. Ito hindi to kasama. Ito yung DS. Kasi binigyan niya ako ng DS nung Christmas ata. Ito eh. So, medyo maalikabok and pangit siya. Ayan. Kasi sobrang hilig ko sa Harry Potter talaga. Kaya, ayan. Tsaka, ayan. Tapos yun, gusto niya daw ako bigyan nito. Tapos pinangalanan niya ng Pinsy. Nung nasa Australia kami, ayan. Kasi binisita ko siya dun. Ayan, cute. Squishy siya. Yan. Tapos, eto, binigyan niya ako ng 32GB na flash drive. Nasa loob niya. Nabuksan ko. Ayan siya. Yan. Tapos, chinarges ko din paraan. Eto. $50 note. Kasi sabi niya, papalit ko daw ganyan para in case na gusto ko ng milk tea. Kasi hilig namin mag-milk tea talaga. Talagang. So, next is, eto, dito ako nagugulat. Binilan niya ako ng mouse. Sabi ko, eto, mouse pad. Nakita ko to. Sabi ko, baka pinaglagyan lang ng mga... Nakita ko to. Sabi ko, shucks, parang wag naman sana, pero parang nakakakilig na kasi sabi ko, feeling ko may laptop dito. Ganun ako. Syempre, nakita ko to. Syempre, anong gagawin ko dito? Tinignan ko pa yung... Ito, yung ganito niya. Sabi ko, hindi naman to pang charge ng phone. Ganun pa ako. Tapos, nakita ko to. Nakapaloob siya dito. Tapos may isa pang ganto na 14-inch ata or 15-inch na ganto. para nakadoble siya. Tapos magkakita ko, Shems, ito na! Ito na yung laptop.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. The package took a lot longer to arrive. It took about 3 months, but the main thing was that she got them eventually and she loved everything. So I'm very happy about that. Thank you for all the love and support. Honestly, we appreciate it so much. We are very lucky and we love all of you very much. So we'll be back with another video soon. Thank you for watching. Peace.